What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. I have something really cool today. I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live right here. These have active noise cancellation and they are the absolute newest Samsung Galaxy Buds on the market today. They were released today and I have them in hand today. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna give you my first impressions and I'm also going to compare them in sound versus the Samsung Galaxy Bud Pluses, and I'll let you know which ones I think sound better. So let's jump into this video. All right, so here we go. This is the box for the Samsung Galaxy Bud Lives. I have not set these up. I haven't done anything with these as of just yet. We got the box a little bit ago, and I got the bronze colored ones that come in currently. I also come in black and white as well. Samsung Galaxy Bud Lives. Nothing at the top there. On the back, you're gonna see it says ergonomic fit, 6 to 21 hours of playtime, triple mics for clear calls, and then also active noise cancellation, which is completely new with these earbuds. None of their other buds have had active noise cancellation, so it's a very welcome addition to it. Bluetooth, sound by AKG. So let's pop this open. All right, cool. Inside here, I don't know why they always do this. They always, whatever, this is just gonna be terms and conditions anyway. Nothing that important. Who reads that anyway? Walk you through probably how to turn them on and stuff like that. You probably don't need it. I don't need it, you don't need it, we don't need it. Very cool. In person, this does almost look a little bit rose goldish. A little bit, almost. But it is the Mystic Bronze. So it's gonna have a copper, you know, depending upon the lighting. Oh, wow. Now that looks brown. The case inside definitely looks brown. You can see left and right to let you know which ones to plug them in. Here's the buds themselves. Very reflective. Brown definitely on the inside. Very cool stuff. The case is not heavy at all. I'll be honest with you. It's not that big a difference. I thought it was gonna be a huge difference. It's definitely not a huge difference in size. It's like this one is like more like they kind of squished it a little bit. This one's a little bit fatter. That's about it. And to be honest with you, this feels better in my hand than these. They both feel good, but if I had to hold one, like just personally holding the case, I'd rather have this one, I think. And then you got USB-C charging on the back. These also do wirelessly charge. So if you want to wirelessly charge your earbuds, put them in the case, put this on top of a wireless charger, and it will charge them up. Also, just comparing the two buds next to each other, you get the beans on the right, Bud Pluses on the left. And they are a completely different design, that's for sure. I mean, it's just a preference point of which one you think looks better. Obviously, this looks a little bit more traditional. This looks like literally a bean. So quite interesting stuff here. Now I'm gonna set these up on my Galaxy device. So it's very simple. I already have the Galaxy Wearable app installed here. I have the buds open, and then this popped up. It's saying a new device has connected. I'm just gonna hit connect. Now I will do a separate video on how to connect these to an iPhone and actually any Android phone as well. So you can see it's setting them up. It's gonna do an update first. Congrats on your new buds. I'm gonna hit continue. It's telling me how to wear my buds. So you can see definitely how to wear them. Make sure you put the left and right earbud in the correct ear with the speaker facing inward. A correct fit will give you the best sound and active noise cancellation. Okay, so it's telling you right and wrong. Gonna hit next, or got it. All right, it's saying I am all set at this point. Just to check, see if there's any other settings in here. New version of the software for your is downloading. Okay, so I'm going to view the update, and it's telling me that. Let's see. All right, so it's not really discreet, improved reliability. So let's get that updated. I would definitely recommend doing any and all updates before you start using these, just so you have the best quality of sound. It will take, even though this update is tiny, I'm telling you, it's probably gonna take a bit of time. So do the update and I'll do it as well, and I'll see you on the other side. So it's software successfully updated. All right, get to know my earbuds real quick. Let's check this out, how to wear your buds. Oh, so it shows you how to wear them again. You can also see play or pause a track. Just tap, double tap to play or pause a track, answer and call. Touch and hold, you can do different things there. You can use your phone to charge your earbuds. So basically I can throw them on the back of my Galaxy device and charge them when they're in the case. Tells you battery levels and stuff, what the colors mean. And then pairing with a phone or a tablet. If you've already paired your earbuds with a phone or tablet, just open the charging case to connect them again. If you don't connect automatically, or you want to pair with a new phone, or put on your earbuds, then touch and hold both earbuds for 3 seconds until you hear the beep. Okay, so I'll leave that there just in case I forget some stuff. Also get active noise cancellation. I'm gonna turn that on right off the bat so that I get the best experience, I would say. I'm gonna change this to dynamic, because I remember dynamic being one of the better sounds with these for the equalizer. I can come in here and change the touch controls. So with touch controls, I can block touches if I want, if I don't want to like have the buds do anything. If I want them to, I can also go on here. So left, I'm gonna change this to volume down. I'm gonna change the right to volume up, which it automatically did it for me. So now if I tap, or if I touch the left and hold it and touch and hold the right, they'll do either volume up or volume down. We've also got read notifications aloud in here. So if I get certain notifications, I can have the buds read them aloud. If I don't want it to do that, just tap the off button. And you can also hit see all, so you can do even more. Yeah, I should go to all right there. And you can change this to all of them or some of them. It just depends on which ones you want to do. Advanced, you can do a Bixby voice wake up if you want to use Bixby on here. You can do seamless earbud connection, that's turned on. They also get labs. Labs is going to do different things here. So for instance, there's a gaming mode to minimize audio delay for vivid synchronized gaming sound. You can also relieve pressure with ambient sound. This can prevent a feeling of stuffiness or compression when you're not using active noise cancellation. So basically these might work really well, they might not work well. That's why they're called labs, because they're basically in beta. There's a Find My Earbuds. So if you go into this app, you can hit start. You got general. You can, if you want to reset your earbuds, you can go into general. There's a software update down here. If you want to check for earbud software updates, just go down there and you can hit download and install, and it'll check for any updates that you currently have. There's none there. And that's it. So let's get these in my ears and I'll let you know. Oh, also in here, it'll tell you what the battery percentage is of the buds and also the case. Another thing I wanted to show you is just when you put these earbuds back in, they snap. So really, really simple. I will say the case does feel a little cheap, even though it looks cool. It does feel a little bit cheap. I don't know. I feel like they could have made this a little bit more premium, but whatever. It definitely is cool looking at the very least. All right, guys, let's talk about a few things about the Galaxy Bud Lives. First of all, putting them in your ear, very, very easy. Just as easy as any other earbud that you would want. So that works awesome. The touch controls, again, work great, changing the tracks, increasing the volume, whatever you set them to works fantastic. I'm absolutely loving these earbuds. Compared to the Galaxy Bud Pluses, I think that's another big point as to which ones sound better, the Galaxy Bud Lives or the Galaxy Bud Pluses, or is there really no difference at all? There's a major difference. First of all, volume is much better on the Galaxy Bud Lives, without a doubt. Without a doubt. These are much louder, much louder. Bass, quality of sound, everything is better noticeably on the Galaxy Bud Lives. And I've haven't used them like all day long, obviously, or for days on end. Like, just initial impressions, guys. It's crazy. These are amazing. I mean, I like these, don't get me wrong, but one of my qualms with these is that they weren't as loud as like the Apple AirPod Pros. These are definitely as loud, if not louder, as the Apple AirPod Pros. These sound awesome, guys. I freaking love these Galaxy Buds Live. One thing I do have to admit though with the Galaxy Bud Lives is in your ear, I will give comfort to the Galaxy Bud Pluses. I think these are more comfortable in your ears. And obviously you can change the earbuds on these to make it even more comfortable or whatever you want. These do have a little bit of tightness in my ears. I have small ears. Maybe that's why, but there is a slight discomfort, a little bit of pressure in my ear with these earbuds, but I'm gonna tough it out. I'm gonna let you guys know over the long haul if it really bothers my ears that much, but it is one thing to keep in mind. Also, the active noise cancellation for the Galaxy Bud Lives, that's brand new. Galaxy Bud Pluses don't have it, so that's a big difference between the two, but I'll be honest, there's not like a huge oh my god moment that you have these on and you can't hear anything or it's like completely deafened out. It's not like that, so don't be prepared for that, but it definitely immerses you a little bit more for sure than the Galaxy Bud Pluses. I can definitely say that much. I feel like also if I wore these on a plane, it would help out with deafening a little bit of that noise. Like I have my fan on right now, and maybe you can hear it through my microphone, but it definitely helps with dampening, I would say, that sound. So it's definitely a nice little thing. It's just not mind-blowing. So if you were thinking about getting these over the Galaxy Bud Pluses or the Galaxy Buds, if you have those, I would wholeheartedly recommend getting these. They're easy to take out of your ears too. Don't worry about that. Putting them in your ears, very easy. It's so natural. Like you would think, just looking at them like, damn, I don't know how that thing's gonna go, but you literally just take them out of your ears and then plop them back in here. It's so simple and easy. You'll have no issues. The sound is amazing. I'm loving these things so far. I'll have a full review. And like I said, I'll also have videos on how to connect these to Android phones, any Android phone, and also Apple devices as well, have them be iPads or iPhones. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick these up, I'm linking them down below, guys. Definitely get these. We'll see you down the road. Peace.